Addis Ababa during rush hours, a painful traffic jam, cars heading to their respective destinations, moving literally bumper to bumper. And then there is another headache, parking. In this fast developing city, finding ample, secured and cheap parking was rarely possible until now. Here is Africa's first smart parking facility. It uses a modern lifting system to safely park your car on a bed constructed in a 50-story steel building.
As you can see on the camera, when you, for instance, bring your car from the outside to park here, you use 4 different systems here. And with your credit card, we swipe here. Then the car is placed on the bed. When you hit the green button, the system takes the car up to park it. It's an easy but effective way of parking many cars.
Normally, this place would park only 9 cars, but now 90 vehicles are electronically parked with a payment per hour equivalent to less than 2 US cents. The rest of the ground area increased parking capacity up to 120 cars at a time. Car owners say they are now relieved and happy to use this modern technology.
This will ease lots of things here. First, it will prevent those parking their cars from creating a huge jam. We can now finally use the roads only for driving and not parking cars. The other thing is car security. We often lose lots of parts when we leave our cars in the streets. This will now be avoided. It is extremely vital for Addis Ababa.
After you come out of your house, the biggest headache apart from the jam is finding appropriate parking space in this city. But now, this smart parking will make life easy for all of us. And second, this is the most secured place for our vehicles. When you leave your car here, the guards in charge will take full responsibility. That is a big benefit.
Seeing that it is new here, some have been worried about the safety of their cars being lifted meters from the ground and left hanging there for hours.
We have a big confidence in the system. There may be uncertainties, but this system has a high level of certainty. It also has high level of safety features. It's unimaginable that cars may fall or flip. Even if there is an earthquake, this is a steel structure. It's much more safer than concrete.
The project has cost the state about 52 million birr, or just about 2.2 million US dollars. Already there is a plan to build more smart parking facilities across the capital, Addis Ababa.
The number of vehicles is increasing, and so is the demand for parking. In our master plan, we have selected 60 places to construct smart and concreted parking systems. There are several smart parking systems being built in Addis at the moment, similar to what you have seen. Some even have a capacity of parking to about 1,500 cars at a time.
For Addis, the plan is also to build mega underground parking systems, all financed by the government. But the private sector too has been invited to explore this area of investment seriously. This will also create jobs, bring in profit and ease Addis Ababa's car parking problems. Group Tala CGTN, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.